snow, let it snow.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be doing my winter curly hair treatment, and I want to take you guys along with me so that you guys can see how I revived my curls after a long week of messing with my hair. Before I jump into this video, if you are new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now because I will be posting for the rest of Vlogmas. Also, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and check the description box down below for important content and things that you just do not want to miss. So without further ado, let's hop into this video. So I'm just starting off by taking my hair out of the bun, and I'm going to go in with the Texture ID shampoo and just make sure that I get it all over so that I can cleanse my scalp and my hair. Next, I'm going to go in with my scalp massager from Vanity Planet. This is absolutely amazing. It really gets the blood flowing and promotes hair growth. So I just go in for a few minutes in the shower and use my scalp massager, and then I just rinse the shampoo out of my hair. Next, I go in with my Texture ID Moisture Cream Conditioner, and I just apply this through my hair. Also, I decided to infuse it with some peppermint oil so it gives you that tingling sensation but also moisturizes your hair, and then I'm just going to rinse that out when I am done applying it. Next, I'm going to take my hot oil treatment and just apply this into sections in my hair. And then at the end, I usually just apply the rest of the oil to my scalp and just massage it through. Then I'm going to go in and apply my plastic bag for 15 minutes and allow my hair to soak up all the oil while I shower. Now I'm just removing the plastic bag and I'm going to rinse out the oil. When I rinse out the oil, I do not use a shampoo. I just co-wash with a conditioner so that the oil that is left in my hair can also hydrate my hair along with the deep treatment mask. Alright guys, so now we're going to go ahead and let our hair dry a little bit, and then we're going to go to the kitchen and make our deep conditioner concoction. Alright guys, so I am back in the bathroom out of the shower, and the deep conditioner has been made. If you didn't see everything that I blended into my hair treatment, then I will also leave that in the description box down below. But I'm just going to be applying the deep treatment now, and then I'm going to let it sit on my hair for 30 minutes to an hour, and then I'll be back to rinse it out, and then you guys will see the end result. Alright guys, and then I'm gonna let it sit in this for 30 minutes, wash it out, and then give you guys the end result. Alright guys, I am back in the bathroom. It's been a little like 45-50 minutes since I last talked to you guys. I said 30 minutes, but time got away from me. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna just wash this out. Alright guys, so my deep conditioner is rinsed out of my hair. My hair looks decent. It's not completely where I want it to be, like little areas like this over here. Still very dry, but that'll get better over time with deep conditioners. So now I'm just going to style my hair in like a bun or something. I'm gonna put product on it, oil on it, and just, you know, do my hair for the night. And by the way, did I mention that it's Vlogmas day 6? Alright guys, so I am 100% done with my winter curly hair routine, deep treatment. That is all that I have for you guys today. Like I said in the beginning, if you are new to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button right now. Go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up, and thank you guys for watching. Bye!